Lips excruciate. You like a cinema blow and jumping on me. Vinegar. I'm a movie. I'm a cinema motion picture. Go figure. Separate figure nigga. Because I'm rapping.
Oh, so you probably were wondering, oh, why are they recording? Why is Robert in his car? Why is he wearing a gas mask? Why is he wearing a tank top? Because he's about to cut up his car, and we'll see how this goes. He's trying to put in the airbag system.
Air ride.
Air ride, whatever.
Air suspension.
Air ride, whatever. Alright, so this is where he's cutting. Yeah, you guys are about to see. He's cutting. As he cuts, and cuts. That shit burnt.
That shit hurt it.
Yeah, that shit got sticky.
You saw it?
Yeah. Oh shit.
We're chilling.
You probably have to drill that shit in though, to make sure.
Oh yeah, I have to.
Yeah.
That's definitely OEM, right? What's so funny, man?
You said a joke, so I laughed, bitch.
It's really funny.
Not anymore.
Aw.
It's okay, man.
Hey, bro, we're chilling though, bro. What's up?
Or mallet. And that's how you hurt yourself.
Alright, little update. Got all 4 wheels on. Got the bags on. So I got front wheel. And brother can't see that, but let me fix it. Bag 1. Bag 2. Then we got the rear bags, both in, and the trunk setup. So now basically, we still have to hook them up to the controller to control it. We just gotta hook up all the hoses to the back of that, wire it up, and it should all be good to go. Hopefully, as long as we did it correctly. So right now, I'm just gonna take out the jack stands and sit it on the floor and see how low it sits. Okay, so the rears are definitely sitting a lot lower than they did before. I was not tucking that hard. The front, it's actually higher. Yeah, it's weird. But that camber though. She's sitting dumped. I'm digging it. That's just some good fitment. Now I can get this piece of wood off real quick by myself. I'm about to push the car back by myself, which is gonna be pretty interesting. I guess we'll see how that goes. She's sitting dumped. She dumped. It's clean. I like it. About to blow this bitch up. What's up? We're done. Now we'll just see how well this goes. I'm nervous.
It smells like sewer.
I'm nervous, Matt.
I don't give a fuck.
Alright, how long should we wait until is it airing up?
I don't know. I don't think that's supposed to show the tank. I was just saying.
Oh yeah.
That one, the green one's moving.
Well, how long do you think we should wait until? Because the air compressor should just.
That green one's going up.
I see that. Yeah.
I wonder if the green one's for the tank.
No, one's supposed to be for front, one's supposed to be rear.
back.
Well, should we just wait until the air compressor goes off, or
Well,
you think
is your
we should
shit
turn it off?
inflating?
Huh? It should just be putting air in the tank right
Is
now.
the front raising?
I I know,
That looks
it should
hella
be-
high.
It should just be putting air in the front or around the front in the tank. Look at the front. This front went up?
The front definitely went up. I can see it and feel it. Hold on, keep doing it. Okay, that just went up hella. Now go down.
That went up?
That went up. It didn't move. Hold it. I don't know, but that compressor's been on for a cool minute.
What?
That compressor's been on for a minute, so. Ow, that's hot. Ooh, that bitch was hot.
Should I turn it off?
I don't know, but it fucking burns. Ow. Go touch the compressor.
No, like you just did that. Okay, so we have an issue. The front's working, but there is not.
You fucking broke it.
Alright, so excuse the noise. The air tank is currently airing up. If you guys haven't seen it from the last video, bag is done to a certain extent.
Yeehaw, brother.
Huh?
Yeehaw, brother.
Oh yeah!
Got my new lift kit.
We monster trucking out here, boys.
You're gonna go hit some jumps and beat up some bums.
Does it look like it's max height?
I don't know, but it looks pretty fucking high.
Does it look like it's where it's supposed to be?
Now that's more like it.
Boss.